I think he's looking for water.
Wow. Okay.
Wow. Look. Wow. You see? Now he's stuck to both.
It's okay. It's okay.
Oh, he's changing colors. He's dark now.
Wow.
Did you see? He changed colors. He went dark.
Wow. Now we're headed to the, I'm probably gonna butcher this name, Mayaka. That's what it looks like.
Mayaka.
It looks like it's spelled Mayaka River State Park. So we're gonna go there and check it out. From what I was reading, some people see alligators.
This literally looks like a jungle. Like, look at that where we parked. All the trees are growing in different directions, and they're all covered in like this weird muck. I feel like I need like hiker shorts. No, like one of those explorer outfits. Like little shorts
like the short
and a hat.
khakis.
Yeah, and a walking stick.
Really?
Oh, just his head.
Okay, but that's, I've never seen one in real life, like in the wild. Oh my goodness.
Wow.
He's huge.
Yeah, he's big.
Wow.
What are you looking at, dear?
A huge alligator. I've never seen one in real life.
He's just right under the bridge.
He's huge. He looks like a monster.
So, there's a sign behind me. It says like, beware of gators.
I'll read it for you.
Okay.
Alligators are present along the trails and waterways of this park. Alligators have been known to attack humans. For your safety, caution. Alligators are dangerous. Do not approach, frighten, or feed. Don't go close to the water.
Do you think they'll charge out at me?
Yeah.
Yeah? Maybe. Ow, 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 sting nettle. Ow, 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 ow. No, there's stuff all over my feet.
They're ants. They're ants.
Ow, ow, ow. Ah. Ow, ow, ow. Ow, ow, ow. Ow. Oh. Ow. Owie.
Wow, that stings. That's why they're called fire ants.
Oh.
They burn like fire. Okay, wait. I gotta get you.
Get on.
Ow!
Stupid creatures. Oh, that stinks. Ow! Get on me! Get on me! Idiots.
Okay.
Ow! Ow! Oh, that's so bad. Get on me!
Here, let me take this.
Oh.
Use it.
Ugh. Ow! I'm okay. My feet aren't swollen or anything. But those fire ants, they burn bad.
Why would they let you walk through here if there's alligators?
Well, I think the alligators really stick to the water. Ooh, that's something in the water. It's eerily quiet.
Bet you an alligator did this.
Looks like he was struggling with something. Maybe a person? I feel like we're in Jurassic Park.
Like, what's this and this? It's like points.
Oh, those are alligator footprints. For sure. And look, there's a tome. The three-pronged famous alligator footprint.
Okay, so we just got to the Canopy Walk Trail, and on the brochure that they gave us at the park ranger office, it says that this nature trail, canopy walkway and tower is a shady 45-minute walk ending at a walkway through treetops. So let's go.
Let's go.
That's where we're going.
So we just located the canopy walkway. It's right there. That's where we're gonna go to next.
Very cool. Tower height is 74 feet. You can expect this walkway to sway as you cross it, and the tall tower to shake when someone moves below. When the wind blows, the structure will rattle. Don't worry, it's only natural.
Okay. Ready? Wow.
Can we walk both ways?
I think so.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my. It's oscillating.
Such a cool walkway.
All right, let's go back. So that was the, what kind of loop?
The Canopy Walk Nature Trail.
Ready?
Yeah.
About to be on the road again. So, we just walked out to this place. We stopped because we saw these really neat hangy willowy trees.
This looks so cool. Got to the picture.
All right, let's take a few shots. Okay, so something cool just happened. So Sarah was looking for shells, and Sarah found one of the shells in the shallow water, and she's holding it, and all of a sudden, something suctions to her hand.
Yeah, it felt like gooey, and I was like, oh, what is that? And I turned it over, and I'm like, I think there's an octopus in this one. And it was relatively small, like the shell was only this big. So I ran over to Alex, and I was like, I think there's a baby octopus in here.
I initially put it upside down on my hand, and it would kind of suction onto my hand and felt really, really odd. So we took another shell, put it under the other shell that the octopus was in, and watched it come out a little by little, and then finally it came out and just sat in the other shell, and it was an open shell, so we saw him, and it was the coolest thing.
And you saw it change color. I couldn't really see it because I was focused on trying to get the camera to focus on it.
Yeah, it went from like a white color to like a brown color.
Brownish
like
reddish.
yeah, like just in a second.
And it was really little. The body was probably like the size of a dime.
Yeah, but you could see his eyes. The eyes were big. So we put him back in his first shell. We kind of let him crawl back into it, and I took it out and
All
put
the
it
way out, so hopefully it won't come rolling back onto shore.
Yeah, we put him out far. So we got back to our room from the beach. We took showers, and now we're ready to go out to eat.
Big boy kids, man.